And this is the Waldorf Astoria Beverly Hills. This is how you know that you have a Hilton Amex card, because you are using it for your free night to stay here in the lap of luxury. Look at this bathtub. Look at that fresh single pink rose. Oh my goodness. 2 sinks. What's inside of this vanity kit? Let's find out. Oh, mouthwash and other assorted delights. And then we've got this shower situation so that you can, oh, I love a separate water closet. Here's our toilet with a bidet. We've got all sorts of controls to work with, to mood light, to our heart's content. And now we have our dedicated shower. Looks like a handheld and an overhead. Pretty standard fare for a nice shower. And then we have this epic closet that is bigger than my closet at home, with some nice place to hang things and more places to hang things, and la caja fuerte for your valuables. And if you're feeling like you want to close that up because you've got some people coming into the room and you want to hide away all of your closet stuff, you can do that. You can do that here at the Waldorf Astoria Beverly Hills. We've got our nice minibar situation with some snackaroonies. When you use your 1 free room night a year, they give you $25 to use, which can be applied to the minibar or to any of the on-site restaurants or bars. We've got 2 queen beds, some nice water, a wonderful pad of paper. You don't see this every day anymore. And some chocolates with our turn down service. Looks like we'll be operating above board, for we have a device that can do our bidding. I bet this is where the chargers are. Let's find out. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. What a nice little touch there. What's inside this box? Nothing. It is a box with secrets inside that cannot be opened. I love a sitting chair. It's got the proper chop for the throw pillow. And of course, this magnificent terrace where you can imbibe LA at her finest. It's the end of April and it is 75 degrees and I'm in Southern California.